Greetings, my name is Stephanie Winkowski, and I'm an applied ecology student at North Carolina State University. I recently read an article about the effect climate change is having on color mismatch in snowshoe hares. Today I will discuss with you 1. What color mismatch is in snowshoe hares, 2. How climate change is affecting the snowshoe hare environment, and 3. How this climate change could affect the number of snowshoe hare populations in the future because of color mismatch. So, many animals use camouflage to blend in with their environment and to avoid other animals eating them. For snowshoe hares, blending in with their surroundings means being white in the winter to blend in with the snow, as seen in this snowshoe hare, and turning brown in the summer to blend in with the forest environment, as seen with this snowshoe hare. They do this through a process called molting, or shedding their fur. Color mismatch is when the color of the snowshoe hare does not match up with the color of their environment. This can be seen in placing a white snowshoe hare in a brown environment. Climate change is changing the snowshoe hare's environment. Due to the warming climate, the snow habitat that snowshoe hares live in the winter has snow coming later in the fall and melting earlier in the spring. As a result, the snowshoe hare is color mismatching with his environment, as we saw in this picture earlier. Due to the color mismatch from climate change, the number of the snowshoe hares are going to be affected in the future. When snowshoe hares are easier to see, animals that feed on them in the wild the number of animals that feed on them in the wild are likely to be less, and therefore there is less snowshoe hares to make babies. The entire population, or the number of snowshoe hares in the wild, will decrease. Today I discussed with you what color mismatch is, and that is when the color of the snowshoe hare does not match the color of his environment. I also discussed how the snow within the snowshoe hare's environment is coming later in the fall and melting earlier in the spring. Furthermore, I discussed how the number of snowshoe hares in the wild will be going down because animals that eat them can see them more easily due to climate change.